Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the elongation process of translation. In the previous video we had discussed about the initiation process and the central dogma of molecular biology and the replication, transcription and translation process. In this we are going to discuss about the elongation in the translation process. Elongation. The ribosome has two sites for tRNA called P site and A site. In this we can see that P site, A site and E site, EPA. And initiation of tRNA attaches amino acids to the P site and a new tRNA corresponding to next codon on the mRNA binds to A site. And in this we are going to see that P site and A site. First one is attached. Starting, as we already know that AUG is code for methionine, it is starting codon. First it's going to bind, formation of methionine, and next other based on the different sequence that different tRNA going to attach, going to bind at P site. And the ribosome catalyzes transfer of amino acid from P site onto the amino acid at A site, forming new peptide bond. And the ribosome then moves down one codon and empty tRNA at P site. It is displayed off the ribosome, and the tRNA that has the growing peptide chain on it is moved from A site to P site. The process is repeated. As we know that first A site is amino acid starting codon bind to A site, and then next tRNA is going to bind at A site. After completion of the binding both to tRNAs, then the formation of peptide bond takes place. In this formation of peptide bond takes place, and then there is a bond between methionine and those two bonds, and then next the former one is moved to A site, P site to A site, and whichever the A previously which was present in A site is going to be at P site. I don't know that A to P, P to A, the tRNA moves. tRNA this process is repeated like the process is repeated like APA site, and the amino acid bond peptide bond is going to takes place. When the stop codon occurs, then there will be no chain like this. It's going to form like chain, just like this chain. If the stop codon comes, then like AUG, UGA, this some of the stop codon occurs, then there will be a stoppage of termination of the translation process occurs. This EPA site, and as we know that first binding here and then bond formation, and then there will be this will be going to be at A site and this is going to P site. This process is repeated. This is a simple view of elongation process. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.